my dear students in online classes of mathematics. I hope you all are fit and fine at home, right? So we were in unit 2, that is numbers, and in last video you have seen how to compare two-digit numbers, right? Today we will study more about tens and ones. Okay, we will learn more about ones and tens, how to write it, how to write in figures, how to expand two-digit numbers, and how to write in short form. Okay, so let's start. Using digits, how to write the numbers, first we will see. Okay, it is given in page number 71 of your textbook. Digits used for writing numbers. Okay, how the digits are used for writing numbers. For writing numbers we use 10 digits. Okay, first one is 0 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. We use 10 digits for writing numbers. Understood? For example, number 36. Here in number 36, the 6 is ones and 3 digit is in tens place. Okay. Here the digit 3 indicates the number of tens and the digit 6 indicates the number of ones. Now let's see the place value of a digit. Whenever you write a number, always start counting the numbers from right to left. This is your right hand side. So right to left side. Okay, any number, when you count any number, always count from right to left. Okay, so here the number in number 36, we start counting from right to left. Here, so first number is 6. The first place is called ones place. The first place is called ones place. That means 6 is in ones place. Okay. The digit 6 is at ones place. So its value is 6. Okay. The second place is called the tens place. Here the second place is called the tens place. The digit 3 is at tens place. So its value is 30. Okay. Because it is in 10th place. First place is called ones place. Second place is called tens place. Okay. Its value is the number itself because it is in ones place, and in tens place its value is 30. Okay. And when you add it, that is 30 plus 6. You will get 36. Okay. Now let us see more examples, which is given in page number 70 of your textbook. Find the value. Question number 1. Write the numbers in figures. Okay. So question number 1. 9 tens and 3 ones. Counting from right to left. In ones place 3 is there. So its value is 3 only. And in tens place 9 is there. That means its value is 90. And 90 plus 3 is 93. Right? You can write it 9 tens and 3 ones. That means 90 plus 3. That is equal to 93. Okay? See one more question. 3 tens and 1 ones. Okay? 3 tens means 30 tens and 1 ones means ones. 30 plus 1 is 31. Now count from right to left. In one place 1 is there and in tens place 3 is there. Right? Next one. 2 ones and 7 tens. 7 tens and 2 ones. Write it in the figures. How you will write? 2 ones means the value is 2 and 7 tens means the value is 70. So 70 plus 2 is 72. Right? See one more example. 8 tens and 8 ones. That means 80 tens plus 8. 80 plus 8 is 88. 4 tens and 7 ones. That means 40 plus 7. 47. Like this, do the rest of the questions by yourself. Okay. This is very easy questions. You can do by yourself. Next one is Write in short form. How to write it in short form? How you will write in short form? Question number 1. 3 tens and 9 ones. Same question, only and is not there. Direct it is written plus sign instead of and. Right. So 3 tens and 9 ones. That means 30 plus 9. How much? 3 tens means 30 plus 9 ones means 9. So the answer will be 39. 2 tens and 0 ones. 2 tens means 20 and 0 ones means 0. So 20 plus 0 is 20. 4 tens plus 5 ones. 4 tens means 40 and 5 ones means 5. So 40 plus 5, 45. Like this, do the rest 3 questions by yourself. Next is write in expanded form. As you know already, we learn the numbers, we count the digits from right to left, right? So you have to expand these numbers in the form of ones and tens, okay? So start counting from the right to left. Here number 39. First number is 9. That means this 9 is in which place? Ones place. So we will write here 9 ones and 3 is in tens place. So we will write here 3 tens. 3 tens and 9 ones. Similarly 25. 5 is in ones place. 2 is in tens place. Right? So we will write here 5 ones and 2 tens. One more 78. 8 is in ones place. 7 is in tens place. So 7 tens and 8 ones. Understood? Similarly, write this 3 also by yourself. Coming to page number 72, question number 1, fill in the blanks. First one is, in 79, the digit 7 stands for, in 79, the digit 7 stands for which place? 9 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place. So what we will write here? In 79, the digit 7 stands for 7 tens and the digit 9 stands for 9 ones. Right? Second one, in 97, again 7 ones, 9 tens. Counting from right to left. So 7 ones, 9 tens. The digit 9 stands for 9 tens and 7 ones. In 65, the digit 6 stands for 6 tens and 5 ones. Similarly, do this also. Next is, write how many tens and ones are there. In 75, how many tens and ones are there? First we will write ones. Start counting from right to left. So 5 ones and 7 tens, which is equal to 70 plus 5, because the value of 7 is 70 here and value of 5 is 5, right? Similarly 39, in 39 3 is in tens place, 9 is in ones place and the value is 30 plus 9, right? Next one, 27, which place? 2 is in tens place and 7 is in ones place. The value of 7 is 7 here and the value of 2 is 20 here. Understood? Do this question by yourself now. See one more, fill in the blanks. Now here you have to write which number will come in the blank. 26. Here 6 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. The value of 6 is 6 here. The value of 2 is 20. So write here 20. Next one, 83. The value 8 is 80 and the value of 3 is 3 because it is in ones place. Next one, 48. 8 is in ones place, the value of 8 is 8 and 4 is in tens place, so the value of 4 is 40. 99. The value of 9 is 9. The value of 9 tenths is 90. So write here 90. Similarly 34. The value of the digit 4 stands for ones and the digit 3 stands for tens. So the value of 3 is 30 and the value of 4 is 4 because it is in ones place. 96. 6 ones and how many tens? 9 tens. So 90 plus 6. 42. The value of 4 is 40. The value of 2 is 2. 18. 8 is in ones place. 1 is in tens place. So the value of 8 is 8 and the value of 1 is 10. So 10 plus 8. Understood? Like this, do these 4 questions as your homework. Okay, so with these 2 topics, with these 2 pages, we have completed the chapter number unit 2. So write this page number 70 and page number 72 in your notebook. Okay.